In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply reCAPTCHA in Webflow. Start by opening your project in the Webflow designer. Once you're on your site, open the Add panel using the plus icon at the top left. In the search field, type reCAPTCHA, then drag the reCAPTCHA element directly into the form you want to protect. Be sure to drop it inside the form element, ideally just above the Submit button. You'll see a placeholder in the designer, but it won't work yet. First, we need to connect your site to Google's reCAPTCHA service. Now head to your Webflow dashboard. On the site card, open the three-dot menu and select Settings. Inside the site settings, go to the Apps and Integrations tab and locate the Google reCAPTCHA integration. Here, paste your site key and your secret key. These keys come from Google's reCAPTCHA admin console. Keep the secret key private at all times. Don't share it or embed it in code. If you don't have keys yet, use the link in this section to register and generate them. When registering, add all domains you'll use, such as your staging and custom domain, so the widget loads properly during testing and after launch. After you've entered both keys, enable the reCAPTCHA toggle and save your changes. Saving connects your site's forms to Google's verification. You only need to add the keys once per site. Any form that contains a reCAPTCHA element will use the same integration automatically. Return to the designer and switch to preview. You should now see the reCAPTCHA appear in your form. Try submitting the form and notice that submission is blocked until the verification completes. This confirms the integration is working. If you don't see the widget, double-check that the reCAPTCHA element is placed inside a Webflow form block. Confirm your domain is included in your reCAPTCHA settings and clear your browser cache. Also remember that reCAPTCHA's design is intentionally limited. You can adjust placement and spacing with Webflow styles, but the widget itself can't be heavily customized. For a smooth experience, keep it close to the Submit button, give it enough spacing for touch devices, and ensure the surrounding area has good contrast for accessibility. That's it. You added the element in the designer, connected your site and secret keys in settings, enabled the integration, and verified everything in preview. Your Webflow form is now protected from bot submissions with reCAPTCHA.